Hello guys, and I got it hurts. I got rug burned. Well, not rug burned. I got shot by paint. I got shot. Not shot with a gun. I got shot with like a paintball gun. Let me show you both arms. See that? Ow. The other arm. And it's infected. It was bleeding so bad. And hope you, did you know subscribing gives you good luck?